Hey rockers, Michael from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn some more guitar tapping techniques. This is part 4 of the guitar lessons. So this is a series of tapping videos for beginners to advanced players, which I'll upload weekly. If there's anything you don't understand in this video, go back a few parts. All aspects of this technique are covered, and we'll be building on the previous pattern you learnt. This time we'll be changing strings. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Heaps of songs and lessons to come. If you're having any problems with this exercise, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. So let's make a start. So as usual, I've got a bit of gain and delay on the guitar with my selection switch on the neck pickup. This time we'll be using the E Minor Pentatonic Scale again, and we'll be building on the previous exercise. So remember, tapping with your second finger, still hang on to your pick. We don't want to put that down. With our left hand, we want our wrist down below the neck, fingers and thumb fairly straight, with a gap between the palm and the neck of the guitar. So let's start with our first exercise, tapping on the 17th fret, pulling off to the 12, hammering onto 15, and we're going to do that 4 times. Now this time we're going to change to the B string. So when I do my last tap on the E string, I lift my first finger up, and then when I do my tap on the B string, so I'm tapping on the 17th fret, I put that finger down, my first finger on the 12th fret. At the same time I do the tap, pull off back to the 12th fret and hammer onto 15. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. On that last one, I lift my finger off when I do the hammer on, go to the B string, put my first finger down. At the same time I do the tap, pull off to 12, hammer onto 15, and I do that 4 times there. Same coming back. Once I've put my finger down for the hammer on the last time, I lift my first finger off, I go back to the E string. When I do my tap, that's when I put my first finger back on the 12th fret again. So you can see lifting finger off, changing strings, back again. So we're walking our fingers up after the last tap. So that's quite tricky, that one there. Just make sure on your last tap on your E string, hammer on, lift that first finger off, and at the same time we place that down on the B string when we do the tap. So finger comes off, tap, and my first finger comes down at the same time. So tap on 17, pull off the 12, hammer on 15, and exactly the same coming back. So I'm walking my fingers there. So let's try that up to speed now. And I'm just finishing there with the tap at the end. Once you feel like you can do 4 there, try it with 2 on each. And you can give it a go with 1 on each there as well. So they're getting a little bit harder. Don't jump straight into that one. Get 4 taps on each first, then go to 3 or 2, and just build your speed up slowly. So we're doing 1, so when I'm doing that, I have to lift my fingers up after every tap. So hammer on, lift my finger up, and coming back there. Once you've got that down, try doing it with the whole scale. So we start the pattern exactly the same, and you can tap 4 or 2 or 1 time there. B string, exactly the same. When we go to the G string, now we're tapping on the 16th fret, pulling off to the 12th fret and hammering onto the 14th fret because we're following that E minor pentatonic. Then when we go to the D string, we move our tap back to the 17th fret there, pull off to the 12th fret and hammer onto 14. do the same on the A string, and then on the E string, tap on 17, pull off to 12, and this time hammer on to 15 there. So let's try that slowly, doing 2 taps on each. And you can come back doing the same thing. So let's try that up to speed, playing to the D string. Or we can do that with 1 tap on each there. Makes it a little bit harder, we've got to go faster there. So that makes it a little bit harder there, tapping once on each string. Try that in different positions on the neck as well. Get used to playing up the neck and down the neck as well. If you're having any problems, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Give us a like and subscribe for heaps of free songs and lessons. Now, if you would like step-by-step guitar lessons for beginners to advanced players and learn all the secrets to playing all your favourite songs and how to do all the lead techniques you'll ever need as a guitarist, also heaps of free lessons, click the link below and jump onto Essential Guitar Lessons. So I hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you soon.